So hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to install Docker in your Ubuntu machine. So first I will go to Docker Docs, then select Docker for Linux, and here we should see all the instructions to install Docker on our Ubuntu. So there is two versions for Docker, Docker Community and Docker Enterprise Edition, but here we will just use Docker Community. And these are the instructions to do this. So I will type these commands one after the other. You can see that's simple. You can read this text if you want. So now to check if the installation was successful, we will use this command. And as you can see here, we see the hello from Docker. So the installation was successful. To see the Docker version, just type sudo docker -v. To see the images, type sudo docker images. We have here just one image, the hello world, and you can also type this sudo docker ps-e for all to see the containers. We have just one container here. Thank you for watching.